Hi, in this question, it is an indices problem. So let's rewrite the problem. A to the power of x whole thing power minus 2 multiplied by 32 to the power of 3x equals to 64. Okay, so after some experience and looking at indices for a while, you will sort of get to see what the base would probably be. So you can know that 8 is actually 2 power cubed. Okay, 32 is 2 power 5 and 64 is 2 power 6. Okay, so now that we know this, let's rewrite that bases with the new base power format. So it will become 2 to the power of 3x to the power of minus 2 multiplied by 2 to the power of 5 to the power of 3x equals to 2 to the power of 6. So multiply inside, so the indices rule says that am multiplied by n is equals to am times n. So this is 2 to the power of minus 6x multiplied by 2 to the power of 15x equals to 2 to the power of 6. Okay, and another indices rule is am multiplied by an equals to am plus n. So in this case, it will be both the bases are the same. So I can say that 2 minus 6x plus 15x equals to 2 to the power of 6. So 2 to the power of 9x equals to 6. So since both the powers are the same, we can conclude to say that this is 2 to the power of 6. Okay, so you can conclude to say that 9x equals to 6. X is equals to 6 over 9, which is 2/3. Okay, so that is your final answer. Okay, thank you.